everybody, welcome back to Let's Talk, and you are with me, Meera. Well, today I have got for you some 10 beautiful words that people like to hear more often. And that means we need to learn to say them more often. Isn't that right? Alright guys, now without waiting any further, let me introduce you to some really nice words. Now take a look at these words and tell me, do you like these words, and do these words bring a nice bright smile on your faces? Check out these words. Holiday. Who doesn't like a holiday, right? Free. Anything that is free, maybe time or a free gift. Everybody likes something free. Sale, of course. Beautiful. Cake. Yum. Whether a birthday or not, cake is for any day and any occasion, isn't it? Pizza, the combination of pizza, hot pizza, and a savory and a yummy, yummy cake. Who doesn't like that? Cheese, travel. Well, now tell me, answer my question. Do these words bring a smile to your face? Yes? If the answer is yes, then you are watching the right video, my friends. Today we're going to learn more such words that people like to hear more often and that brings a smile on their faces. Let's get started. The first word is something very obvious, but I want you to try to use that more often. I'm going to show you examples as to how you can use them in different situations. Love. The power of the word and the power of the feeling is tremendous. I love this color on you. What a sweet compliment. If you think your friend looks great wearing pink, then say, I love this color on you. It suits you. Next, what a lovely selfie. Somebody's clicked a nice picture and you know how much efforts go behind taking a nice selfie. Now say it. What a lovely selfie. Thanks for the lovely gift. Thanks for the lovely gift. If somebody has gifted you something as sweet and simple as maybe a cookie or maybe even a cake, then say that. I love to spend time with you. Now, it's a compliment as well as a nice gesture. I love to spend time with you. You like to hang out with them. Maybe watch movies together, go spend time together traveling, but you like their company, and that's why you can say this. Now, that's just the beginning, guys. I have so many more words. Let's take a look at the next one. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. The word itself has so much power. Gorgeous. There are ways to use this, you know. For example, if you ask me, Turkey was gorgeous. Maybe you've recently traveled to Turkey or to any place and you think that the scenery was mesmerizing, the people were nice, your hotel stay was comfortable as well. You can say, if you ask me, my opinion, Turkey was gorgeous. Look, today the sky is so gorgeous. Don't you get these really beautiful colors in the sky this evening and you just keep capturing them? You can say that the sky is so gorgeous. Hey gorgeous, what's up? This is such a nice compliment to anyone who's looking great on a lovely day. You can say, hey gorgeous. That's how you can greet them. What's up? Why are you looking gorgeous today? What's the occasion? Your house is gorgeous. Someone has put in a lot of efforts decorating their house in a certain way, and you are saying your house is gorgeous. Next up, guys, we have delicious. Mwah, yummy. How would you put this in different sentences? Let's take a look. Today, the lunch was delicious. Hey, how about we make some delicious kebabs this evening? It's the weekend time, you want to party real hard, and you are asking if you want to make some delicious kebabs, savory, yummy. Your father makes delicious cakes. Well, there you go. Delicious in so many different ways, in questions, as a compliment and as a statement. All right. Thanks for the delicious meal that you got for me today. Don't you think this will make anybody smile? Right? Okay then. Next up we have precious. Say it with me. Precious. That means you cannot put a price tag on something. It is precious. For example, you are very precious to me. Nothing can replace you. You are so valuable to me that you cannot put a price on it. School memories are precious to me, aren't they? They are to me. You're never going to get that life, and you try to remember those days, and you know that they're precious memories. This is such a precious gift. I'll save it for life. Particularly, the handmade ones are really priceless. You cannot buy them off the rack. They're one of a kind. And you can say, this is such a precious gift. All right, moving on, we have perfect. Perfect. For example, your timing is perfect. Well, maybe you're just thinking of a friend, what if she called me today and I could ask her out for dinner or something, and guess what? She just sends you a message saying, "Hi, how are you?" What would you say? Your timing is perfect. Maybe you were thinking of her, and that's when she called or messaged. She is perfect for him. As a couple, they complement each other so well that you're saying she's perfect for him. This blazer suits you perfectly. The weather is perfect for a long drive. Well, doesn't that happen quite often, that you wake up on a Sunday morning and the weather is really nice, the sky is gorgeous, the weather is perfect for a long drive. There you go, we have relax. Believe me, it does put a smile on someone's face when you ask them to relax. Well, everybody these days, they have a crazy life. It's too fast paced. And when you get time to relax, it helps you rejuvenate, right? For example, take a break and relax. Oh yeah, I would like to hear that sometimes, and quite often, to be frank. Why don't you relax? I'll cook tonight. Absolutely. When somebody's taking charge of the kitchen and I just have to relax, why wouldn't that bring a smile on my face? The holiday was so relaxing. Your kind words made me relaxed. Maybe you were panicking or your friend was panicking, and you motivate them. You tell them that you're inspired by them, and that relaxes their nerves immediately. Okay, I hope you're enjoying this. We have a few more up here. For example, gifted. Gifted. You have a gifted voice. That means somebody is born with such a lovely voice. I enjoy being around gifted people. Over here, we're talking about talented people. All right. Although he's gifted but works very hard, even though he's talented, he still works very hard. Next up, delight. Delight. I am delighted to finally meet you. Instead of saying I am glad or I'm happy, you're using a little advanced word and saying I'm delighted. This can go personally as well as professionally, formal as well as informal. It was such a delight to see you after 2 years. You're meeting a long-lost friend of yours and you just keep seeing their posts on Instagram. But finally, when you get to meet them, you can say it was such a delight to finally meet you. I am delighted by this kind gesture. Maybe somebody was kind enough to offer help or offer anything that they have, any object of theirs. You can say, I'm delighted, I'm happy. You feel good, right, when somebody offers you help, and that's the kind gesture from their end, from their side. All right, guys. Next up, we have motivate. You motivate me to keep working hard. Your words always motivate me. When somebody is trying to tell you things that gets you going, that keeps you, want to working hard, that means they're motivating. Their words are motivating you. Your Instagram posts motivate me. Maybe you're following a fitness enthusiast, and when they keep posting about their exercises, their regime, that motivates you to work out even on a Sunday, right? Next up, we have surprise. I'm planning a surprise for Anna. To be honest with you guys, surprise is a word and as well as a gesture that people do appreciate and people do enjoy. Well, when you say it in a sentence, even for the third person, it is a matter of a smile. All right. She wants to throw a surprise party for him. To throw a surprise means to arrange for a party that somebody is unaware of. I have a surprise for you. Maybe somebody's come with hands behind their backs and they show you, maybe they have a puppy, they have a diamond, they have a piece of cake, slice of cake. You never know, but when it's a surprise, there is a smile. All right, guys, weren't these 10 words that were so simple and yet so positive? Well, I want you guys to start using them. I want you to be that person who brings a smile on somebody's face. There you go. That's all for today, guys, but I will see you soon in a new lesson. Until then, take care, guys. This is me, Meera, saying ciao.